Hey everyone, Glitch Snitch here. In this video we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this waiting for this message error on WhatsApp for Android or iPhone. So this basically happens due to the end-to-end encryption feature on WhatsApp. So the easiest way to fix this is to simply open WhatsApp on your phone, and you will also need to ask the other person to open WhatsApp on their device. Once both of you open your WhatsApp, the waiting for this message error will be replaced with the actual message. You also need to check your internet connection. I know this may sound obvious, but it's important to ensure that your internet connection is working properly. However, if you still experience problems, head to the Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. Now, if there are any pending updates available, make sure to install them right away. Another reason why this error may appear is if you are using WhatsApp on your secondary account. So try switching to your main phone from where you registered for WhatsApp and your issue will be solved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to ask the sender to resend the message itself. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Snitch.